In this EiE for Kindergarten how-to video, we'll show you how to prepare the shelter bases for Raise the Roof Designing Shelters. You will need one shelter base for each pair of students. Assemble the box by folding along the creases. When finished, the box should be closed. Tape a paint stirrer to each corner of the box. Cut 7 inches of string and tape one end of the string to a penny cutout. Tape the other end of the string to the center of the shelter base. Students will pretend that the string is a leash for Penny.